Hey, meet Bob the Snail. Are you ready to see him up close? Let's check out the texture on his back. Look at all that detail. Now here's Bob trying to follow my hand. This little guy really doesn't want to be left behind. And just look at all the slime he left on my glove. Gross, but also kinda cool. Let's zoom in under the microscope. You can see tiny bubbles, the texture of his slime, and even little bits of dirt. Now I'm giving Bob a treat, some oatmeal, softened with water to make it nice and tasty. Here you can see his receptors in amazing detail. But sadly, Bob wasn't hungry. Let me know in the comments if you want to see him eat under the microscope next time. And now, check out his foot and the muscles that help him move. You can literally watch them contracting under the scope. Super weird and super cool. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one.